Welcome to the ACCU SlideMS video tutorials. This tutorial reviews camera and scan settings. The following topics will be covered in this tutorial: attaching the camera, aligning the camera, AutoAdjust with the magic wand tool, creating presets, adjusting gamma, adjusting exposure. Slide scanning is covered in another tutorial. Attaching the camera. Attach the camera adapter to the camera. We recommend you hold the camera and adapter sideways to avoid introducing any dust into either component. Attach the camera and adapter assembly onto the trinocular port of your microscope. Secure the locking screw enough to hold the adapter in place. Connect the camera to the PC using the special USB 3 cable. Place a slide on the microscope and adjust the microscope for color illumination. With the 10x objective in place, focus on a specimen through the eyepieces. Then launch the ACCU SlideMS software. To parfocalize the camera to the eyepieces, adjust the focus ring on the camera adapter until the specimen image is sharp in the preview window of the software. It is okay if the color and/or the brightness may not be ideal at this point, as we will adjust them later. If the image in the eyepieces and in the preview window are reversed, you may wish to rotate the camera and camera adapter 180 degrees. Aligning the camera. For ease and effectiveness of scanning, it is important to align your camera to the movement of the stage. With a well-aligned camera, you'll be able to scan faster and your scans will be more accurate. With a slide on the stage and the 10x objective in position, move the slide in the Y direction until you reach the edge of the slide and not the edge of the cover slip. Align the edge of the slide to the edge of the preview window and focus on the edge of the slide. If necessary, loosen the locking screw and rotate the camera adapter until the edge of the slide is parallel to the edge of the preview window. Tighten the locking screw on the camera adapter to secure this position. AutoAdjust with the magic wand tool. The magic wand tool automatically adjusts the image for white balance, image brightness, and shadowing. To use the magic wand, move the specimen completely out of the field of view and click the magic wand. The background should change to a neutral gray color, and the histogram will show overlapping color channels near the right side but entirely on the plot. Move the specimen back into the field of view. Although not usually necessary, you may also manually adjust color balance using the 3 color channel sliders. Creating presets. Presets can be created for each objective you wish to use for imaging and also for different specimen types or stains. Presets will greatly enhance consistency in your imaging and scanning. So that there is plenty of light for all magnifications, it is important to first set the light intensity for the highest magnification objective that you plan to use for imaging. We recommend beginning with the 40x objective. Move to the edge of the specimen and focus. Move the specimen out of the field and increase the light on the microscope. Don't worry if it seems overexposed right now. Click the magic wand button to automatically adjust white balance. You'll see the 3 channels in the histogram overlap, and the background becomes a neutral gray. Move the specimen back into the field of view. Adjust brightness and gain until a suitable image is achieved. The highest recommended brightness setting is 300 microseconds. A high gain setting may create noise in the image, so you'll want to find a balance between brightness and gain. In the magnification and resolution window, enter the objective lens magnification and the camera adapter magnification. The resolution automatically updates according to these values. Click the plus button to add the preset. Enter the name of the preset, then click the check mark. Now let's add a preset for the 10x objective. Change to the 10x objective and move the specimen well out of the field of view. Click the magic wand button. Move the specimen back into the field of view, adjust focus, and adjust brightness and gain as desired. Enter the objective magnification. There's no need to change the adapter magnification. Click the plus button, enter the name for this preset, and click the check mark. You may now use the drop-down list to change between presets. If you want to update a preset, select that preset from the list, change the camera settings to the new desired settings, then click the floppy disk button to update the current preset. Adjusting gamma. You may use the gamma slider to adjust the luminance and shadows in the image to better match what you see through the eyepieces. Gamma does not affect white balance, but you may need to readjust brightness and/or gain. Remember to update a preset to preserve these camera settings. Adjusting exposure. Brightness and gain settings work together to establish the exposure level for an image. Start by moving to an open area and click the magic wand button. Move the specimen back into the field of view and confirm an acceptable color adjustment. It is easiest to adjust exposure on a blank area, as this will be the brightest area on the slide. Now adjust brightness and gain. Try to keep the brightness settings below 300 microseconds. Longer exposure times can cause a lag in the scanning process. Use gain sparingly, as higher gain levels will increase noise in the image. Use the histogram as a guide during this process. The right edge of the histogram plot denotes saturation of pixels on the camera, so try to keep all three channels from going off the edge. With just a few adjustments, you'll quickly find a suitable combination of brightness and gain. If desired, create a new preset or update an existing preset with these new settings. Thank you for watching this ACCU SlideMS video tutorial. Before using ACCU SlideMS to scan for the first time, please watch the tutorial on scanning a slide.